Here, first of all, I'm going to lay out a piece of plastic wrap that we'll use to wrap our onigiri. A sheet of nori with the shiny side always facing out. Leave it like that. And we're going to find the center and cut right here. A cut in the middle all the way to the center. Done. Here we'll have 4 squares. Imagine 4 squares right here. In the first square, we'll put cooked rice, Japanese rice. It doesn't have to be a lot, okay? It doesn't have to be too thick. Also, like this. Here in this square as well, let's put the rice. Just spread it out well. And here as well in the last one. Done. In this square, the cheese. Done here in the last one. The pork crackling. That's right, it's pork crackling, just like we know it. Spread it well. In this square, an egg like this, I left the yolk soft here, a little bit of mayonnaise. Cucula. You can also add watercress, lettuce, whatever you want, some greens, right? If you enjoy onigiri recipes, check out my new channel, Mundo Onigiri. Now fold the first one here. Fold it again. And fold it again like a sandwich. Now just wrap it tightly with plastic wrap. You can press it down. And just cut it in half. And look how delicious it is. A sandwich you can take to work or even to college. And you just pour some tonkatsu sauce or teriyaki sauce on top. This one here is teriyaki sauce. And enjoy it.